Subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
And never miss another update.
Hello dear visitor, in this video I am going to show you how to solve automatic disconnect your Wi-Fi. We will face this problem on Windows 7 Home. So now I am going to show you the problem fixing. Just right click on the management. Okay, now choose the device manager. Go to the network adapter. Now go to the Intel dual band wireless. Power management. Now just uncheck the allow battery saver option. If you uncheck this, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much, and please subscribe my channel for next tips.
Subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
And never miss another update.